Hello, this is David at iOVA Communications. I'm going to walk you through a quick step-by-step guide on how to format your blog posts. Now, a lot of people like to use Microsoft Word or another word processor to write all of their content. And with that, a lot of people also like to do some formatting in their word processor. And a lot of times when you copy and paste that formatting into your WordPress blog, some of it gets kind of wonky. Things get messed up, get lost in translation, and I'm going to show you a couple steps on the best way to actually do that formatting and translate it into your live WordPress blog. So here I have just a small example post of what I might want to put into a WordPress blog. So this is in Microsoft Word. I can simply copy this, and we see here I have our blog page open, and I could try to paste this. Now we see we lose some of the colors, some of the formatting is off, spacing is off. If I do, a preview change here, we can see that it doesn't look anything like how I initially set it up in Microsoft Word. And that's obviously an issue. So there's a couple of options here. One is to paste it in using this tool. Now if you don't see this tool, you might be in text view, for instance. This is where you can edit code for the blog. So make sure you're in the visual tab and make sure that you have clicked on the show the kitchen sink tab so that we get all of these options right here. Now we simply click the paste from Word tool and we can copy and paste our content into here. We can see that a lot of the formatting has been carried over and it's pretty accurate. There are some issues sometimes though. When we insert this into a post, you can see some of the translation gets messed up. You get like a 1, then a wub, 1 in the subheading, same thing here and here. So what I recommend doing is rather than formatting everything and spending a lot of time formatting it in your word processor, going directly into the paste as plain text view. So you can write all of your content in Word and then paste it into here. From here, you can do all of your formatting. Now that we've exposed the kitchen sink, we can go in and change colors. I just hit Control B and that bolded it. Control B, or you can simply go to bold and hit that. You can do italics, which is also Control I. And you can, of course, select colors and whatnot from the different options we have here. For instance, let's make this blue and this orange. So you start to get an idea of how easy it is to format it here. So you can give the word insertion a shot, but it's not necessarily going to translate 100%. And if that's the case, it's sometimes just easier to simply copy and paste the content using the paste as plain text tool and then edit it directly within the WordPress blog publisher. So if I hit publish, well, let's hit preview first. We can see that that formatting that I just did is now carried over directly to our blog. And if I were to hit publish, it would go live onto our website and we'd be able to see everything the way we intended the user to see it or the visitor to see it. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to post a formatted blog to your website. Hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thanks so much.